Hello guys and welcome to TSLB3273 Language Awareness. Let me walk you through the course. Visualize all the countries in the world and make sense of your geographical knowledge. The purple color refers to American and the rest of the colors are British English, all with slight variations. I hope you're building up your excitement now about this course. The purpose of this course is to expose you guys to the many factors affecting English language teaching. The words in red represent the many facets of teaching and learning pedagogies, and these are further broken down into specific topics. Let's slide through and find out what they are. Our first topic is the context. Here we will be looking at its definition, types, and importance. Our second topic is the varieties of English language. Specifically, we'll be looking at the variations between American and British English. There is a contextual knowledge provided in this course, which is the Malaysian English. Our next topic is on language and culture. Here, we will be discussing the role culture plays in shaping language, as well as how literacy is affected by culture. Our fourth topic is rather extended as it has more subtopics to cover. It deals with language from sounds, letters, words, sentence, interaction and communication, as well as linguistic. There are 3 slides to explain this fourth topic. In this first slide, it shows the formation of language from sounds, which is called phonology, to forming of words called morphemes. Focus on the red words shown. From sounds or phonology and words or morphology, we also will be looking at syntax or sentence. There are 2 sociocultural branches stemming from the study of the English language system, which are semantics or linguistic meanings and pragmatics or association of meanings. Our final topic is on learner's errors, where we will be analyzing types and causes of errors in context. Now, let's take a look at the learning outcomes of this course. At the end of this course, you guys will have the knowledge and skills to explain, analyze, and examine the context, varieties, and errors within the language system in relation to language teaching. For your continuous assessments, it consists of 20% presentation and 40% written analysis, which will be given to you in 2 weeks' time from now. And finally, your examination takes 40% of your overall assessments of this course. And that's it for now. Thank you.